Assalamu alaikum. Please turn on subtitles by clicking the CC icon. No. Find TEALHR/2022/06 dated October 21, 2022. Find T Limited Lahore. Vehicle Usage Policy. 1. Purpose. This vehicle usage policy outlines the guidelines and expectations for employees who are assigned a company vehicle to ensure safe, responsible, and efficient vehicle use. It applies to all users who operate company vehicles. 2. Eligibility. The assignment of a company vehicle is at the discretion of the management and is typically provided to employees who require transportation for work-related purposes. Authorized users must have a valid driver's license and maintain a clean driving record to be eligible for a company vehicle. 3. Vehicle care and maintenance. A. Responsibility. Users are responsible for maintaining the assigned company vehicle in good working condition. This includes regular maintenance, oil changes, tire checks, and adherence to the vehicle's maintenance schedule. B. Reporting issues. Any mechanical issues, damages, or accidents of company vehicle must be reported immediately to the TPT supervisor. C. Fueling. Users are responsible for fueling the company vehicle through TPT supervisor. D. Logbook maintaining. The logbook of a company vehicle must be maintained for each travel/visit, and it must be checked by TPT supervisor on a weekly basis. E. A recording of entry. The meter reading of the company vehicle must be recorded at the gate during the vehicle in/out of the mills. F. Area. Your area is fixed from Ring Road to Multan Road in Lahore as local area. Out of the local area, you would have to inform the TPT supervisor prior. 4. Authorized use. A. Official purposes. The company vehicle should be used primarily for official purposes, such as attending meetings, field work, and other work-related travel. B. Personal use. Personal use of the company vehicle is strictly prohibited unless specifically authorized by the management. Any approved personal use must be recorded accurately. C. Prohibited use. The following activities are strictly prohibited while using the company vehicle. A. Using the vehicle for any illegal or unethical activities. B. Transporting unauthorized passengers or hitchhikers. C. Using the vehicle while under the influence of alcohol, drugs, or any substances impairing driving ability. D. Engaging in distracted driving, such as using a mobile phone without hands-free technology. E. Participating in races, speed contests, or any form of reckless driving. 5. Safety. A. Seat belts. Users and all passengers must wear seat belts at all times while inside the company vehicle. B. Speed limits. Users must adhere to all posted speed limits and traffic regulations. 6. Parking. Employees should park company vehicles in designated areas when not in use and take necessary precautions to prevent theft or damage. 7. Insurance and accidents. A. Insurance coverage. Company vehicles are covered by comprehensive insurance. In case of an accident, employees must follow the prescribed procedures for reporting the incident. B. Reporting accidents. Any accidents involving the company vehicle must be reported immediately to the TPT supervisor and Deputy General Manager Admin. An accident report must be completed promptly. 8. Termination or resignation. Upon termination or resignation of employment, the user must return the vehicle, keys, and all relevant documents to the admin department. 9. Non-compliance. Failure to comply with this vehicle usage policy may result in disciplinary actions up to and including termination of employment. To operate a company vehicle, the user agrees to abide by this vehicle usage policy and acknowledge their understanding of the guidelines outlined herein. Mr. Hamza Ali, Senior Lab Manager, as a user signature. 8. Mr. Ali as a TPT Supervisor / in charge signature. Or date. Usage policy is subject to periodic review and updates as needed. Approved by Deputy General Manager Admin, Fine T Limited, Lahore. Copy to 1. Senior Lab Manager. 2. TPT Supervisor. 3. Admin file. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get updates of new videos. A link is available in the description to copy the text of this video. Thanks for watching my video.